Okay, so today we will install n8n on our system for free. So first let's head over to docker.com. Here you select your system. I am using here Apple Mac, so I am selecting Apple Mac. Download the installation files, open them, and just run the .dmg file, which is the image file. Then move this Docker image file to your applications folder on your Mac, or if it's Windows, you have to do it accordingly. Once you have set up your application, then just open it, accept the terms and conditions, use the recommended settings, go to finish, and then you can skip the other steps. Then go to the images tab, and here you have to search for the image file of n8n. Just in the search box put in n8n, and once you see the first row of 100 millions, click on pull. It starts installing this application. Then click on run. Once you have set up this application, you will get a link but you have to just put in some details in the drop down, such as the container name, the host port. You can set it up as 5678. Host path is simply your PC folder, and container path as mentioned on the screen. Once you set this up, you will get the link for the local host where you can run the n8n application. Just click on the link. Here I faced or run into one problem because I was using Safari. Simply copy the URL, and then I just used Google Chrome to continue, and it opened there very smoothly, as you can see. Here you put in the details such as your email, your first name, last name, and your password, and simply click on next. Head over to the other parts. Just simply get started. No need to put in all these details. Now n8n gives you a free activation key. Just simply put in your email and click on the send me a free license key. So once you submit this button, you get a license key in your email. You can get this license key, copy that key, head over back to your n8n dashboard, and here you can simply paste this key in the usage and plan. Once you paste your key, you are set up. You can use this n8n application completely for free and start building your agents. That's it. This is the n8n workflow page. Here you can explore various steps, and then finally you can go to your n8n workflow and simply start building AI agents. That's it for now. Thank you so much. And if you think it's added some value, so kindly subscribe. I'll be putting some more videos on n8n.